Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we have the luxurious Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 and we're just going to do a quick unboxing and a small review at the end and just go over some of the key features of the phone. So from the box you can see the phone. It's really sort of sleek finish, quite that modern look with just like nothing, no mess at all. Open this here, you can see the phone. The first thing you'll really notice is it has no front camera. So that is because it's got a 93.4% screen to body ratio on the Xiaomi, and as you can tell it's an absolute fingerprint magnet. As I've only been holding it 2 seconds, it's already covered in fingerprints. But if you go ahead and slide this down, you can see it's got the 2 front cameras here. So it's got a 24 megapixel front camera, the 2 megapixel camera here, which is a depth sensor, which means your photos will be way more crisp and just come out a lot better. On the back you can see it's got a dual camera and flash, so it's got 2 12 megapixel cameras, so your photos are basically just going to be incredible. On the bottom you can see it's got a dual speaker and a USB-C port. One thing you will notice as well straight away is the fact that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 actually has no headphone port, and that's something we'll come on to a little bit later, but straight away you'll notice it doesn't have that. So we're just going to go ahead and turn this phone on now. So you just press the button on the side and then obviously the Xiaomi logo will come on. You can see it's powered by Android 9, which is the new operating system for these. Alright, let's just skip all of this real quick. Yeah, so as you can come on here, you can see it features the Samsung screen, so you know you're going to get that really crisp image and you're not going to get any sort of pixel tear as you quickly switch between apps or between pages. As we come into the camera, you can see it's got the AI camera technology, which means it detects scenes and optimizes your phone based on the info it detects. As you slide it down, you can see that it will make a sound and it will show you on the side, and it will come up for that. Interestingly, on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, it's got 2 ways to unlock your phone. So it has a fingerprint sensor on the back here. It also features a facial recognition, which will be on the slide down part as you slide your phone down. So on the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, the screen size is actually 6.4 inches, which is relatively big. One thing you will also notice as you pick this phone up, it's significantly heavier than your average phone. I think this one is 204 grams and the average phone's about 180 grams, so you can feel straight away the difference in weight. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 features 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of memory, which is not interchangeable. However, it does feature a dual nano SIM card, which you can take out with the SIM ejector. Now we're going to take a look inside the box, and this is one of those like luxury boxes, and you'll be able to tell what I mean as soon as we get into this. They've really put some work and thought into how the design of this box and how the unboxing feels. So you just pull this tab here, lift it up. So you get this letter from Li Jun, who is the owner and founder of Xiaomi, and it says, on the road of exploration, we will constantly invest, constantly strive, and constantly break through. We are willing to devote an additional 100%, even if we only improve by 1%. Be friends with our users, be the coolest company in the hearts of our users. Which is quite a nice message and quite something personal for a mobile phone company. So pull this letter aside. Inside the box, you will notice it has a wireless charger included. This is something you don't see on every phone, and it's quite a luxury thing to be included inside. You'll see it has one of these new style plugs, which is better for travel because it just pop up your charging port and you can plug it in. And then you've got your typical USB-C charging wire, which is the new style that Xiaomi are going with. So as you pick this up here, you can see here, and then underneath this compartment here, which is actually quite tricky to get out, I'm just going to turn it upside down, you have where your manuals, and so in here you will get your user manual for your Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, which will feature all your normal stuff. You will get your wireless charger and quick start guide for wireless charging and some of the other features that the Xiaomi has. You will also get, which is a relatively new thing, a Xiaomi case. This one's specifically for the Mix and obviously specifically for this phone. And then you will get your SIM card ejector, and you will get an adapter for headphone jacks to go into the USB-C port, which the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 features, because obviously, as I previously stated, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 does not have a headphone jack. So some of the other features that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 has is the ultrasound distance sensor, which, to be honest with you, I'm not too sure what that is, but I know it's a relatively new feature to Xiaomi, and it's one of their features they're really pushing. This device, specifically the Mi Mix 3, supports 4G, 3G and 2G. It is not yet the 5G model, although there is a 5G model being released, which will feature the 5G. The wireless charger on this is a 10-watt wireless charger, which is relatively fast for a wireless charger. A fun fact about the sliding area, actually took them 300,000 attempts to get it how they wanted it to, which really shows the dedication of Xiaomi. It feels really clean and really crisp when you move that together. You can really tell that it's actually magnetic as well. The screen quality is incredible, as it's a Samsung screen, so you know you're going to get a great screen. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is an incredible phone. For the price tag, which is just over £350, you're really getting a very luxury item, which has more of a personal touch, especially with the letter you got inside the box and some of the little key details such as the slider and the fingerprint combined with the facial recognition on the front. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, if you want to buy the phone, we'll have it linked in the description. You can buy it at ephones.com below. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and hit like below, and we'll see you in the next one.